This is Science Mentor. In this lesson, you will learn about the new ifs function and see how it simplifies writing nested if in Excel. Nested if in Excel is commonly used when you want to evaluate situations that have more than two possible outcomes. However, this old method can be challenging and time-consuming at times. The Excel team has recently introduced the ifs function that is likely to become your new favorite one. Ifs can take the place of multiple nested if statements and is much easier to read with multiple conditions. I want to make a column that shows grades based on scores for any individual student. I try to insert criteria. Grade A for scores more than or equal to 75. B for more than or equal to 50. C for more than or equal to 25. And D for less than 25. As it can be seen, I write these criteria in my function. Finally, I drag it to apply for other cells. You can see the result. Please note that the ifs function allows you to test up to 127 different conditions. However, we don't recommend nesting too many conditions with if or ifs statements. The if function in Excel can be nested when you have multiple conditions to meet. For example, take a look at the nested if formula in another column. It has the same result with ifs function. The if function checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. As you can see, when the condition is not met, the if function returns error, but the if function returns false. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.